Welcome to the MMO YouTube channel where we teach you how you can make money online. In this simple method today, we will teach you how you can make $50 to $100 in 10 minutes. That's right, you heard it right. You will make $50 to $100 in 10 minutes. You don't need any experience for this technique. We tried it ourselves and it works like a charm. So stay up to the end of the video so you understand complete process. Trust me, it's very easy and you will make easy money online. On this channel, we are providing you the best possible money-making techniques that you can find on the internet. And if you want to make money and learn how to make money online, please make sure to be subscribed. Also, comment down below before we start from which country are you watching this video, so I know how to prepare the best possible content from your region so you can make best possible outcome for the money-making techniques. So let's get started. For this simple technique you will only need Fiverr. So what is the Fiverr? Fiverr is a website where you can make money online selling gigs. You can make money designing logos, you can make money editing videos, you can make money programming, you have digital marketing, writing and translation, and so on. So you can basically make money doing some work on the internet. Well, there's an interesting technique that works where you can design logos for about 50 to 100 euros with free website. So you don't need any prior knowledge to make this work. So how do you start? You simply register on the Fiverr, and when you finish registration, search for logo design. Here on logo design you can find people that are already doing it, and as you can see they are having some awesome orders. Prices are around $50 to $100 per design, and those people who are designing these logos are all pretty much experienced in what are they doing. But you will not need knowledge for this design. As you can see, you have various types of logo designs, and I will teach you how you can make it easy with a free website. So we will search for some gigs now so you understand completely what will you be selling on Fiverr. As you can see, this simple logo is designed for 30 euros, which you can make in like 2 or 3 minutes of easy work, and you can make that sweet money. So you have basic, standard and premium gigs which differ in price, so you can make price as much as you want. Here are some of the examples of logos that this guy did on a Fiverr. They look pretty cool, and we will teach you how you can make these same logos but much easier without knowing any design. As you can see, you can make your description when you register on Fiverr. Later on we will show you the process how you can make those logos when you get the orders. You will have your inbox, so you will receive orders there, and you can make, as I said, your packages. So you have basic, standard and premium package. For basic package you get logo 1 concept, unlimited revisions, 3D mockup, high resolution and PNG. For 50 euros you have 2 logos, for 64 you have 3 logos, and so on. Here is how the order looks when somebody wants to purchase it from your site. You have 5 days delivery. You can all edit that up later. I will now show you how you can make those logos. You are basically doing free logos with easy design that you don't need knowledge for, and after you finish that logo you are sending it to the client. Of course you will need Fiverr account for this type of money-making online business, and you will need probably account on those sites. You go to free making logo websites. It doesn't need to be anything specific. You can choose any site that makes a free logo for you. It doesn't really matter which site do you choose. Those sites are free to use, and you can make free logos within 2 or 3 minutes that you can sell on Fiverr for about 50 to 100 euros easily. So here's the example of how the website looks. You have to choose language here, you make account, and so on. Here's the how site looks. So what you need to do is you need to make some name of the logo. For example, someone orders you logo for Make Money Online YouTube channel like mine. You type that name on the search bar, and on the right side you need to choose the category. So basically somebody wants to make a logo for their sports team, you can choose sport. If somebody wants to make a logo for food or drink, you choose food or drink. We will choose computer for now, so we can make like money make online design computer logo. You have types of logo that they are already building up for you, so you don't need to spend too much time searching for logos. You can choose the some that you actually like, and when you choose the logo, you have their editor. So what can you do in their editor? You can basically design logo from scratch, but you don't need to do that. You just need to simply edit it and make it a little bit better before selling. So for example, we have this giant green square here, and there's a small computer icon, so we can make it like this, centered, and make this computer logo bigger or smaller. It doesn't really matter. You can just edit it as fast as you can, so you can complete more and more orders for your logos. You can choose different color, you can choose, for example, some fonts, sizes, icons that will be shown on the logo. It's much easier for Photoshop since these people on Fiverr are spending a lot of time doing it in the Photoshop, and after you save it, this is how saved logo looks like. So you can download it or preview it, and this is what you will be sending to your orders. For example, this is how the logo looks like. I'll remind you one more time to stay subscribed on our channel for more tips and tricks, but let's continue to our selling method. So this is how you design logo for free. It looks pretty good, I would say, and you can make them a little bit simplified or a little bit professional, as anything you want basically. So for the second website, it's pretty much the same site as the first one. You'll be also doing easy logos that you need like 2 or 3 minutes for creating. We will now go to a sport logo. For example, we will make football club MMO. You can choose which type of logos do you like the most. Do you like minimalistic logos or whatever? We will name it FC MMO, and we will choose here how the logo looks like when it gets designed. So all of them are pretty good looking, but we will choose something that's interesting for us. For example, this one. So we can change how the icons look, we can change the colors, the fonts, the name, layouts, whatever you like, before of course sending it to our client. You can make a long-term business from these methods. You are basically doing free logos with easy design that you don't need knowledge for, and after you finish that logo, you are sending it to the client. Of course, you will need Fiverr account for this type of money-making online business, and you will need probably account on those sites, but you don't need anything else. You can make an order finished in about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So that would be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this money-making online technique that I'm showing you. It's working pretty good for us. So that would be it. Have a nice day and goodbye.